Welcome to this video showcasing the inspiring combination of India versus Australia Test match and EMPO. Worrying children with special needs. The India versus Australia Test match is one of the most highly anticipated events in the world of cricket. The players compete fiercely and give their all on the field. But outside the field, we see something entirely different. Children with special needs are learning and growing through inclusion. In the India versus Australia Test match, we see players working together and supporting one another. This is the same example of what we see in inclusive situations. Inclusion helps children with special needs to learn, grow, and socialize with others. It helps them to feel accepted and recognized, and assists them in reaching their full potential. In the India versus Australia Test match, we see how the players work together to achieve their goals. This is something that we can apply in inclusive situations, where all individuals work together to help children with special needs reach their full potential. Thank you for watching this video showcasing the inspiring combination of India versus Australia Test match and empowering children with special needs. Don't forget to share and show support for children with special needs in our daily lives.